everyone, Jessica Bentigli here with Truck Smart Isuzu. Here today I want to present to you our 2024 Ram 5500 powered by the Cummins 6.7 liter Cummins engine. It has an ISN 6-speed transmission, automatic. It does have the PTO provision. This particular truck has body colored fender flares, and you'll also notice that it also comes equipped with a 19.5-inch aluminum forged wheels, polished. And then it is a 4x4, and the GVW on this truck is 19.5. It weighs just over 10,800 pounds, so your payload on it is about 8,600 pounds. We built this truck here at Truck Smart. It has a 16-foot, 6-inch stake body with removable stake sides, rub rails. It has a diamond tread steel floor. It also has 5 ratchet straps, which are on a sliding bar. You'll notice that we have it set out to tow. It is a pintle plate with trailer lights. It's a blank slate so that you can put on anything you need, whether you use a receiver, a pintle hook combo, or just a pintle. We also have the backup camera as well. And if you take one more step around the other side, you'll notice that we also have the buyer's aluminum toolbox. That way, if you have anything else on your job site that you would need to keep inside, we have the extra toolbox for you to do so. And last but not least, you'll also notice that the truck has the chrome tubular steps to get into the truck. Inside, you'll notice we have the 8.4-inch backup camera, Uconnect, Bluetooth audio, and we also have power windows, locks, seating for 3. It's an SLT package. This truck also has a trailer brake on it that we have successfully hooked up as well for you for all your towing needs. And as far as the truck is concerned, this and all Rams we have here are for sale, and we have a special savings going on for the month. We have so many Rams overstocks, and we have chassis that are available to build for your needs as well. If this particular one doesn't suit yours, please give me a call so I can take care of that build for you. Again, my name is Jessica Bentigli with Truck Smart Isuzu. We offer financing, and we also offer shipping all over the entire United States. Give me a call, 267-394-3223. Thanks.